Hey guys, it's Van here. Today I want to talk about the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. In this video, I will talk about how to find a killer offer to promote, why you need to build an email list, and how to create one really fast if you didn't have email list in this time, right? So how to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. Now on this channel is help you to build a long-term and profitable online business so that you will have more time for your family and yourself in the rest of life. Sounds cool, right? Now on my videos it's all about make money online, affiliate marketing, organic traffic generation. So if you are interested, please click the subscribe button, which will help my channel growth. I would really appreciate. So step number one is the criteria of a killer offer. So the element of a killer offer, which is an offer that actually help people get results, is not the overhyped program. Now you can see make money online or business opportunity or online business industry. There's a lot of the spammy program and overhyped program. We don't want to promote those programs. We need to promote something that we are trust and we are inside on those programs. So you will know the program is high quality offer, which is crucial because on the internet, people can write the reviews about you. If you promote something crap product, they will write the bad reviews about you. You will become a scammer forever, right? So also you need to promote something which is have a good value ladders, which you can make high ticket commissions. So you can, if you find something offer which is interested and which you find that will help people to get results, so you can look at their value ladders, right? That means the offer have upsells. If they have upsell, that means they can maximize the earning per customer. So, for example, which is the also you can promote something is recurring income, which is the software, something like funnel builders. For example, which is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month for the basic plans. For the more advanced plan, which is about $300 per month. Now for beginners, which is a lot, maybe if $97 per month, but some of the big company they don't know how to use funnel, so we can teach them how to use ClickFunnel and promote this software to them. Oh, okay. Also, high ticket costs, like I said, which will help people to get results. Okay. So for number three example, which is website hosting, something like Bluehost, which is monthly billing, right? And actually it's annual billing, right? So you can build recurring income, which is really cool because they pay you monthly, which is kind of like passive income, right? So step number two is create an landing page to build email list. So how to create your landing page, which like I said, you can use ClickFunnels if you can afford $97 per month. Okay, but I know some of you didn't have that amount of the budget. So which I would recommend you go to this website called Funnels. You can create free websites for free, completely free. Okay, so you can set up your funnels landing page with Funnels. Now, once you have make some of the monies, you can switch to ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels is more functions and more stable, I think, right? Now, how to set up your email list? What I recommend is you go to this website called Get Response. they have 30-day trial. You can use this software for free for 30 days. Even beyond 30 days, it's about $15 per month, right? So you can run your affiliate marketing business on the beginning, just pay for $15 per month. So you can integrate your landing page with your autoresponder, which is integrate Google funnel or ClickFunnels with GetResponse. Once you set it up, you will see the tutorial how to set it up, how to build landing page, how to integrate with the autoresponder inside the memo area or the training area of which this software. So I would not explain that detail on this step, okay? So step number 3 is drive free traffic as fast as possible. The number one traffic source, which is TikTok, the organic reach is really insane. It's viral traffic to grow your business and brand. Okay? So what's the tactics if you're just beginning? You just getting started with TikTok. Okay? What you should focus on is the hashtag below 250k if you're just getting started, because if you target those hashtag have millions of research, if you're just getting started, you can't rank with those keywords. Just kind of like Google SEO, just kind of like YouTube SEO. You don't have those authority to rank those high competition keywords. So just like those tactics, we should focus on the long tail keywords. So the reach is lower, but you can easily to rank those keywords. Make sense? So how the frequency of posting on TikTok, what I recommend is post at least 3 times per day. Okay? Now it's no standard of how many times of post. You can post 10 times per day, which is fine. But you need to make sure what you are posting is providing value to people. It's not those funny cat video, okay? Because what our purpose is to influencing people, leverage TikTok to deliver our message. So still, we are providing value, okay? So you should use the same formula of creating content, which is hook, story, offer. Some kind of like, so you may create, for example, you may create a video about side hustle. So what is the best side hustle for beginners? This is hook, right? So you may talk about, it's not dropshipping, because dropshipping you need to creating product, customer services. It's not online coaching because you need to deal with the client, blah blah blah. So the best side hustle for beginner, which is affiliate marketing. Okay, because affiliate marketing, you don't need to creating your product, blah 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 blah. Then you offering, okay. So now if you just getting started, you can't put your link on your TikTok unless you have 1,000 followers. So on the first place, you can integrate your YouTube channel to your TikTok. So your call to action should tell people to go to your YouTube channel, okay? Because you still put your link on the YouTube channel, right? This is how this thing works. When you have 1,000 followers, you can also put your landing page link to your TikTok profile. That's how you can build email lists via TikTok free traffic. I hope that makes sense, right? Now traffic source number 2, which is Quora. Let me show you how to use Quora to drive free traffic. Let's say, for example, you are promoting a keto diet offer. Okay, so we can type. So what question will people ask about keto diet? Maybe something like how to start keto diet. So we can search about those. Now you can see how do you follow the keto diet. Now a lot of people don't know how to start keto diet. So if you are promoting keto diet offer, you can answer it on those questions. Also, you can click on the questions. You can see what is the viral answers, what is the popular answer, what is their structure. So you can model their structures. Okay, this is their format of the best answer. So you can model their structure or model their formulas. You can create this type of template of the answering, so you can answer those questions. You can put your YouTube link on your answer. Don't put your landing page link because you will get banned. On the core, what link you can put on your answer, which is YouTube link or your blog post. Don't put landing page link or affiliate offer link because you will get banned. So number one, traffic source, which is YouTube. Now YouTube, when you're just getting started, which you can use the search bar to give you the content ideas. So again, for example, keto diets. Now we should focus on something long tail keywords, okay? Maybe keto diet for muscle building, keto diet for muscle building, let's say for example. Now you can see the results, the search results. Now you can see the competition, the first page ranking, the competition, which is competition really, really high because the subscriber base, which is really, really high. If you're just getting started, you don't have the authority to beat this competition. Also look at the views. Are they have over 100k views? If yes, the competition is really, really high, okay? Now you can beat this video, okay? Just 4.5k and he just under 10k subscriber, okay? But this is really high competition if this keyword. So what you should do is find more recommendation search, which is keto diet for muscle building and weight loss. Just keeping search on, keeping for those results, right? This is how you play this game. Okay, just search. If you find this keyword is still high competition, just other angles. You can put the underscore in front of it. So you can now how to start keto diet, some kind of like this thing. Still high competition, right? So just keep search on. So you know the idea, right? Now a lot of the recommendation you can click by click to search the competition. So once you find those keyword which is low competition, you can make on those content, okay? This is how this thing work. One of the tactic when you're just getting started with YouTube, just like I said, you can integrate your YouTube channel with TikTok. So you can leverage TikTok's traffic to drive your YouTube. When YouTube see the third-party website to see your YouTube video, YouTube will reward you. So your video will explode more, which is a 1-2 combo if you have YouTube channel and TikTok, okay? This is why I recommend you will have YouTube channel and TikTok. Now, one more bonus for you, which is how to convert the lead to the sale. Now, on the a few years ago, which is a lot of people teach how to do affiliate marketing, which is this method called direct linking. This is not work because 99% of people when they first time see your offer, they don't buy. Okay, in this day and age. So if you are using this method, you are losing 99% of traffic. So what we should do is build our email list. That's just like I said, okay? So what we can do is drive them to the opt-in page, which is built on the Google funnel or ClickFunnels, okay? So after that, after they opt in, they leave their email address and submit the form, which will go to your email list. So you can email follow up with them, okay? Now also after the opt-in page, the redirect page, which should not to go to the offer yet, because still have a gap, because sounds like weird, right? We are, because people supposed to have free information, right? If they after they submit the email address and they go to the something, they need to pay to get the information. It sounds like weird, right? So we should build one more page, which is the bridge page. What is the bridge page look like? It's really simple, just a headline and video and a button. The button should be linked on the affiliate offer, okay? So what you should shoot on this video is about give them some tips, okay? Give them why this offer, what's the benefit about this offer, how this offer can help you. You are sharing your experience, okay? So which you can also build your brand, right? Which page, which is really powerful because you are pre-selling the offer, right? Which is because you are also one of the social proof, one of the testimonial about those affiliate offers, okay? Social proof is really powerful, okay? So I hope that makes sense. I hope you learn this thing and implement in your affiliate marketing business. So my job is done, your journey is begun. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can click the link in the description. I have the 4-day free training for you. So you can check it out if you are interested. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, which will help my channel growth. I will appreciate. If you have any questions, any comment, leave your comment in the comment section, and I see you in the next video.